think AI is free, right? You ask a question, it gives you an answer in seconds. But here's the shocking truth. Every single time you use AI, the planet is paying the price. A hidden cost so big, it affects our resources and our future.
The water reserves are dwindling. Yet big tech giants like OpenAI, Meta, and Amazon are thriving.
And the scariest part? We never see it. All we see is a clean reply on our screens. Let's start with electricity. AI runs on thousands of powerful computers, all packed inside huge data centers. These machines never rest. They use so much energy that one large AI model can consume as much electricity as a small country. Imagine millions of homes with lights on, fans spinning, TVs running. That's the kind of power AI eats up. So when you type one small question into AI, remember, in the background, entire power plants are working. Second is water. Those giant computers get very hot, and to stop them from breaking, they need cooling. The cheapest way to cool them is water. Training just one AI model can use hundreds of thousands of liters of water. That's enough water for thousands of people for an entire year. Or think of it this way, one AI model can drink the same water as hundreds of Olympic swimming pools. So while we are sipping one glass of water, AI is silently drinking up lakes. Third is the chips. AI doesn't run on normal computers. It needs special chips that are super powerful. But making these chips is dirty. The factories that produce them release harmful smoke and chemicals into rivers and air. So even before AI starts working, its chips are already damaging the planet. We clap when a new chip is launched every year, but behind that shiny launch event is hidden pollution that no one talks about. And then comes e-waste. AI is moving so fast that companies keep throwing out old machines to bring in new ones. But old servers, chips, and hardware don't just vanish. They end up in giant piles of electronic trash. This waste leaks poison into the ground, into rivers, and even into the sea. The mountain of e-waste is getting taller every year, but it's almost invisible to us. So the real cost of AI is not money. It's the electricity it burns, the water it drinks, the pollution from chip factories, and the growing piles of e-waste. AI looks free, but in truth, it is the planet that is paying the price. And the more we use it without thinking, the bigger that price will get.